How to open Etoro account in UAE. In this video, I'm going to walk through step-by-step process. Watch till the end so that you won't miss out any information. This process is applicable worldwide, including Philippines and India, not only in UAE. Just so you know, Etoro is a multi-asset company brokerage that focuses on providing financial and copy trading. It's really a friendly user, especially if you're new to trading platform for stocks or cryptocurrency. I personally use them and it's so fantastic. With that being said, let's start now. Step number 1, go to the description and click the link. Then click join now. Enter your desired username, email, and password. Then create account. You will be redirected to the platform. On the left side next to your username, click complete profile. Alright, so let's just do this really quick. Complete your profile, fill in all the necessary details, and proceed to the address. And I live in Dubai, so I put 0 in my postal code, put the password, and now let's jump in your trading experience in equities, crypto assets, and leverage products. You can copy my answer, it doesn't matter, it's just for compliance. And trading knowledge, just answer it and proceed to the next. Plan investment, is it stocks, crypto, and so on, and the trading strategies, is it for weeks, and what's the purpose of trading, it's long-term trading, and let's go to the attitude risk. It's just how much money you're willing to invest in, and what's your risk appetite. Is it 20% gain and 12% loss? Then click on that, then proceed. There you go. Does any one of the following apply to you? Of course not. None of this apply to me. In your financial status, where do you get your money from? Salary, investment, or savings? And which occupation do you belong? And just click into there. Proceed to your company. In your net annual income, fill in the details there, and we're going to proceed the total cash and liquid asset, your total asset at all. Click complete verification. It's so easy, and put in your mobile number, click send SMS, then they will going to send you verification code, enter it, and then click verified. Then if you're verified, voila, it's done. No, I'm just kidding, it's not done yet. So let's proceed to the passport or ID card verification. I uploaded my passport. Just make sure that it's cleared, uploaded it, and click next. Let's proceed to the verification of address. I uploaded my bank statement, latest bank statement. It's all the details are indicated there, my complete name, complete address, and they can easily verify if your details is included into there. And tax identification number, usually there's no tax identification number in Dubai or in United Arab Emirates. It's fine. And now it's a pending verification, so it's 3 business days, or they will contact you through email. They will send you what's the status of your your account if it is verified or not yet. Then let's go to the platform. See that it's still pending verification. If this video helped you, please don't forget to give us a like, and it's just free, so just give us a like. And if you think it's more useful, you can also click the subscribe button. Let's log in now so that you can see it's verified. See that it's already bronze, so it means it's already verified. Congratulations.